Our versatile magnetic self-adhesive tape consists of a strong isotropic flexible magnetic surface on one side and an industrial-strength permanent adhesive on the other. It allows non-metallic items to be placed onto steel surfaces quickly and easily. There are 4 different sizes to choose from: 13mm high in a 30-meter roll, and 20mm, 25mm and 50mm high, all supplied in 10-meter rolls. The 20, 25 and 50mm high versions have foam adhesive tape, which allows the tape to be used on slightly uneven surfaces. The tape can be easily cut to size or shape and will save the fixing surface from being damaged by nails, screws or rivets, etc. Used extensively in general industry, but ideally suited to retail and exhibition sectors for fixing point-of-sale posters and promotional items, or anywhere where a magnetic fixing is required.